Introduction to MS Word. MS Word is word processing software and it is a member in the MS Office family. So that means MS Office has different kinds of softwares or applications. One of the application is MS Word. Using MS Word, we can create documents or letters, reports, resumes, etc. We can edit them, we can format them. Formatting means changing the size, color, etc. we can do. All these things we can do using MS Word. So that's why it is word processor. MS Word has some key features. So very first one is formatting, text formatting. We know already this is to prepare documents. Documents means mostly there will be text. So using MS Word, we can change the font style, size, color, etc. What are the formats you can change? You can change using MS Word to the text. Next one is we can change the layout of the page according to our requirement. So that means we can change the page to A4 or legal or A3 or some other sizes, even letter pad size or even visiting card size, whatever it is, which size you want, you can change to that particular size and you can set up the margins also. And you can place watermarks, borders, background colors to that page. And in MS Word document, you can insert tables to type data in tabular format. A table is a collection of columns and rows. In that format, you can type employees data, students data, and you can format the table also. And you can also insert graphics inside a document. Graphics means you can place pictures or some other shapes or other lines, etc. You can place different kinds of graphics for documents to appear clearly, visually what you are typing in the document, what you are editing in the document, what you are going to presenting in the document. Once you prepared your document means finally you can check the spellings and grammar mistakes what you did in your document. So that facility also available. Once you finished your preparation using MS Word, then you can share the document to others in online using OneDrive and SharePoint, and you can save to cloud also. That is collaboration also possible. And the prepared document what you have in your MS Word, if you save those documents, the file extension will be docx. Suppose if you are saving document name resume, resume.docx is the extension for the MS Word documents. So that means the extension indicates that is a document, MS Word document file. So docx is the extension for the MS Word document files. previous old extensions are also there in old MS Word, that is DOC. Latest MS Word files will be having extension .docx. Okay. In the next session, we will see the environment of MS Word, how to work with the environment of MS Word. Okay.